Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I am on board our brand new 2025 Sylvan L-3. Tons of cool stuff to see on this boat. So we'll start off here in the bow. Really nice spacious bow area on this boat. Plentiful storage underneath your seating. And then this boat is actually going to come with a double bimini. So you are going to have a bimini that is up in your bow as well as in the midsection of the boat, and they will actually connect. So whether you want to get some sunlight all day or you want to get some shade, you can cover this up and it's going to cover about 70% of the boat. So really, really awesome. Under the helm station here, you're going to have a storage compartment. We have our cover in there right now. And then on the port side, under your seating, you are actually going to have a changing station. So what this will do is this will flip up, and then this curtain will actually drop down. So whether you're bringing a vacuum flush head out on the water, you can do your business in here, or if you're just wanting to change, get out of your wet clothes, you can do that as well. Moving here to our helm station. Really nice and elegant helm station here. You have all your rocker switches for your master power, interior lighting, dock lighting, underwater lights, courtesy lights, all the above, as well as your 7-inch Simrad multi-function display. So this is going to have your chart plotter as well as your fish finder. Wet sounds audio throughout this boat. Really nice audio system. And then a really nice feature that comes standard on the L3 is going to be your high back seating. So really, really comfortable seating configuration with flip up armrests. So you are going to have a captain and co-captain's high back chair. Moving into the aft section of the boat, you're going to have a really nice kind of spacious L-shaped seating right here with a table. Really cool part about this boat is you are going to have a swing backrest, so you have a really nice huge sunbed, biggest sunbed I've ever seen. But the really cool part about this sunbed, it's got two features. When you want to hang out, catch some rays, this is going to be your configuration. But when you get to the cove, you want to have some lunch or have a couple beers with some buddies, this will actually transform into a bar. You have your 4 different bar stools here, so these will easily pop out. Pop into there, and now you're enjoying a beer with your friends or having a little picnic out there in the cove. On the aft section of this boat, you are going to have a really nice powder-coated rail system as well as a ski tow pylon. So the cool part about this enclosed cage, for lack of a better word, is that it actually makes it legal to ride back here whether you're on the sunbed or you are in this bar configuration. All right, on the aft section of this boat, power plant for this boat is going to be a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard. And then another really nice add-on for this boat is going to be a lily pad ladder. So that'll actually go down, and instead of a straight vertical 90-degree ladder, it's actually going to be more of a staircase. So it just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple. Tons more to show you on this boat. Love to tell you more about it. If you get a chance, visit us at our website at marinemax.com or come visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.